Hi, and welcome to a new tutorial. So today I'm going to be talking about how you can create surveys for your event. So first and foremost, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on your event name. Once you click on your event name, you're going to be brought to this dashboard. And in order to access the survey function, you're going to want to go to the very top and you're going to want to click on communication. From here, you have the option to select survey. So click on survey. Then from this page right here, you can see all of your pre-existing surveys. So if you create a survey, this screen is where you'll find that later on. But we're going to be creating a new one. So we're going to click on Add New Survey here in the right corner. You're first going to name your form. And so you can name it anything you'd like. I'm going to name mine Customer Satisfaction. And then for your close date, it's just the date that you're wanting the survey to be closed. So the day that you want nobody else to be able to access the survey and fill it out. So in my case, like my event ends on March 1st. And so I'm just going to make the ending date to be March 31st. And then next you're going to insert your first question. And so the questions can be anything. And so it depends on like what you're wanting to accomplish from the survey. But I'll say, tell us and then you can choose like checkbox, radio, or text. And so like for text, that's whenever people can fill in the fields. And so tell us about it here. So that way people can like type in freely what they thought of the event, or if like you want people to be able to say incomplete sentences in response to your survey, the text would be a good option to choose. So then once you're done with that question, you can click the little arrow here. And then you do your next question. Would you and then I'll choose a checkbox for this one. And then you click the little arrow, so like the little plus sign. So if you want to have like more than one option, you can do that as well. And then so you'd click this plus sign in order to add like another option or answer to your question. And then you're going to click on this one in order to add a whole new question. Then checkbox. And so you can add as many questions as you need to. You can customize it however you need to, but this is the gist of how to insert questions and how to customize the potential responses. You can delete individual like answer questions right here. And then if you want to delete questions, you can delete that by hitting the trash can here. But once you're done, you're just going to click save. So you'll click save. And once you click save, you'll be brought back to this page right here where you can see which events you've created. And then if you click on this little magnifying glass, which is close to each one of these, that is your preview feature. This button right here is to edit your survey. Right here, you can choose to send invitations. And then right here, you can view the analytics. So let's preview the survey. So as you can see, this is like how the survey would look. So you'd have your company logo here. You would tell us about your experience. Would you recommend us to friends and family? Yes. Will you be coming back? Yes. And then that's it. I mean, it's super, super easy. And then we can go back. And so this is, again, to edit it. You can send the invites out or send the surveys out to people. So you can send it to like all of your attendees. And then you can select all of your attendees and you can decide, okay, I want to send my invite to this person or my survey to this person, this person, this person, and so on. And then you can also insert like a message. And then you could just click send. And so you can see here, email sent successfully. And then if you go back to surveys, well, actually, let's go back to this sent section really quickly. So as you can see now, because I sent out surveys, it says 5 people survey sent but not completed, and then 19 survey not sent. So 19 of the guests attending this event have not received the survey. 5 people have received it, but they haven't filled it out yet. And then this is survey sent and the survey was completed, and then this is just your total count of users. And then lastly, you can look at the analytics associated with the survey. So we don't have any analytics because we just created a survey and we just sent it out, so nobody's filled it out yet. But you can search by name of who you're wanting to see, like what the analytics with that individual person says about the survey. You can download your analytics to your computer. It says your total users, and so it really gives you a very like analytical perspective of the results of your survey. And so that is how you create a survey, and that is how you send it out, and that is how you customize it to perfectly fit your event and your needs.